Hello everyone, welcome to the Tempting Bites. So today we are making healthy and also sugar free balls. Okay, so for that we will require dates. Now the dates which you see here, I have used black dates, but you can use red dates also. You have to soak it in hot water for approximately 10 minutes and then try to grind it in mixture first without using water. If you are unable to grind it, you can add 1 teaspoon, maximum 1 tablespoon of water, not more than that. Then you will get a paste like this. After that, here I have unsweetened peanut butter, and this is a crunchy version of peanut butter. If you are not making healthy recipe, you can also take sweetened peanut butter. Then here I have chopped dark chocolate. In this we are going to dip our balls after making them. And then here I have mix of sesame seeds. This is black plus white. You can take any one. You can also use chia seeds to make it more healthy. Now what we are going to do is, in these dates we are going to mix our peanut butter like this. I have mentioned all the measurements in the description box. You can check there. Okay, now we will mix this up properly. Now we will add our sesame seeds. If you want, you can even roll this in sesame seeds. That will also work. Now we'll take little portions and then make a ball out of this. Okay, like this. We'll keep it in a plate. You can make small or big balls according to your choice. Okay, like this. Now we will allow this to cool and freeze for at least 15 minutes so that this becomes little bit hard and we can easily dip it in chocolate. So once this set, we'll proceed with the next. As you can see, our balls are also ready now. So what we will do is, and here I have taken parchment paper. So, and here we have melted chocolate. Now we will take a ball, put it inside our chocolate like this. Add chocolate on the top. Then with the help of the fork, we will remove the excess chocolate out and put it on our parchment paper like this. Okay, we'll put it inside the chocolate. Now what else you can do is, you can take the ball, keep it here. If you don't want to completely dip it in chocolate, you can take little amount of chocolate and pour it on this. So with this we are not covering it up completely, only some part of the ball is getting covered with chocolate. So these are the two ways in which you can do. Now this will go in freeze for 10 minutes. Once the chocolate is set, you can have it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.